In the realm of culinary delights, one unsuspecting hero stands out for more than just its ability to spice up your meals. Cayenne pepper, a fiery red spice that has been a staple in kitchens around the world, is gaining attention for its potential life-saving properties. While it may seem surprising, emerging studies and anecdotal evidence suggest that a small amount of cayenne pepper could be a powerful ally in preventing heart attacks. Let's delve into the science and benefits behind this spicy revelation. 1. The cardiovascular connection. At the core of the cayenne pepper phenomenon is its active component, capsaicin. This compound is responsible for the pepper's heat and has been linked to various health benefits. One notable advantage is its impact on cardiovascular health. Capsaicin has shown the potential to lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and enhance overall heart function. 2. Blood pressure regulation. High blood pressure, or hypertension, is a significant risk factor for heart attacks. Cayenne pepper has been found to dilate blood vessels and promote better blood flow, helping to regulate blood pressure. By improving circulation and reducing the strain on the heart, cayenne pepper contributes to a healthier cardiovascular system. 3. Cholesterol management. Maintaining a healthy cholesterol profile is crucial for heart health. Cayenne pepper has demonstrated the ability to lower LDL, low-density lipoprotein, cholesterol levels, commonly referred to as bad cholesterol, while simultaneously increasing HDL, high-density lipoprotein, cholesterol, known as good cholesterol. This balance is essential for reducing the risk of plaque buildup in the arteries, a key factor in preventing heart attacks. 4. Anti-inflammatory properties. Plays a pivotal role in the development of cardiovascular diseases. Cayenne pepper's anti-inflammatory properties, attributed to capsaicin, help combat inflammation and reduce the overall stress on the cardiovascular system. This anti-inflammatory effect contributes to the prevention of arterial damage and improves heart health. How to incorporate cayenne pepper into your routine. Now that we understand the potential benefits, incorporating cayenne pepper into your daily routine can be a simple and enjoyable task. Here are some creative ways to spice up your life. 1. Spice up your meals. Sprinkle a pinch of cayenne pepper on your favorite dishes, from soups and stews to salads and grilled vegetables. 2. Morning kickstart. Add a dash of cayenne pepper to your morning smoothie or juice for an invigorating start to your day. 3. Tea infusion. Create a spicy tea by adding a pinch of cayenne pepper to hot water with lemon and honey. 4. Capsule supplements. If the spice level is too intense, consider cayenne pepper supplements available in capsule form, ensuring a controlled and convenient intake. While cayenne pepper is not a magic cure-all, its potential cardiovascular benefits are promising. Incorporating this fiery spice into your diet, combined with a healthy lifestyle and regular medical checkups, could contribute to a robust defense against heart attacks. As with any health-related advice, it's crucial to consult with healthcare professionals before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. So, why not embrace the heat and let cayenne pepper add not just flavor but also a touch of heart-protective magic to your meals?